we were fighting for something. Hiyo ndio nasema like imekuwa motivation.
Congrats kwa performance nzuri sana. Ningependa tu nikuulize hiyo turnout vile ilikuwa very huge compared na game ya kwanza. Na so far umeconcede goal moja tu. Labda kwako unge describe aje fans vile turn out, na labda hii inakufunza nini kama mchezaji?
Okay, kenaweza sema kuhusu fans ni cause tulionyesha kuna team spirit kwa the first match. So the more tulikuwa tunaenda tukicheza, mafans walikuwa wanakuja wanatown watu wengi. So imekuwa push poa kwa mafans. Naweza sema waendelee kutu support tufike hadi finali.
Bayo naitwa Agr kutoka Mozart Sport. Umekuwa part of a defense yenye imekeep clean sheet 2, imeconcede bao 1 na despite kupewa red 2. Maybe unaweza to show as the last man in kwa hiyo defense line. Siri yenu imekuwa gani ama tactics zenu ni gani?
Naweza sema kwa venye hata watu wanaiona game, naweza sema ni spirit, cause watu wanajituma, cause it's the first time tournament kama hii happen Kenya, so tunataka tukue kwa history.
Thank you, Mr. Bryne Omondi. How do you feel after winning this important game?
Just proud of the players. They left everything out on the field, not just for themselves, but for the fans in the stadium. That was incredible, and I don't think if we didn't have the performance from the fans the way they did, we would have survived. Not with 11 players, not with 10 players. So this victory we owe them to the fans. So I'm just beyond grateful, that you have a team that leaves everything out on the field. No one thought about that they were tired and they couldn't, they just pushed and whatever they had left within them, and they showed the Kenyan athletic spirit today on the football field. And I think we deserved the win. As much as they had 90% of the ball, but end of the day, 3 points was ours. I said to the players, the team that wants this the most is the one that runs the hardest, is the one that's going to put in the foot where it hurts the most. And I think we did all that and they got the reward. Sometimes we are work in progress.